Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is November 5th, 2015. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, we're going to start off with the usual S&P 500 E-mini futures. They are trading higher by 6.25 points right now to 21.01 per contract. You could see that they were actually trading a little bit higher, right around 750 this morning. However, they pulled back a little bit, but nonetheless, the market volumes have been extremely light. The market seems somewhat resilient, and we see new highs almost every day coming off the lows. Now, we are into a lot of daily chart resistance, but the market really don't seem to care. We'll see how it plays out today. But we do have a lot of economic data out today. We had, I believe, non-farm payroll report, weekly payroll report out at 8:30, and a lot of earnings. So let's jump into the earnings plays. That's where the money is made. We're going to start the day off with Facebook. You're going to see here that Facebook is trading at 109 a share. So that's a very, very good pop. But the stock is overbought at these levels. So if you own Facebook, that's awesome. Congratulations. Trail the stop loss at this point in time. This stock could fade a little bit today. So be a little bit careful here. Facebook trading above the 108 level, which was already resistance, and now it is trading at 109. So it is a little bit overbought here at these levels. We'll see where the stock finishes. Don't have to get out of the name if you are long the stock. Just trail the stop loss. Let the market take you out if need be. Next up, I want to talk about Qualcomm. This one is not doing so well. Qualcomm closed yesterday at $60.26. It is trading at $57.50. I will have gap levels for Qualcomm this morning posted up in the intraday stock chat room at 9 a.m. We've had an excellent 2015. We've had an excellent earnings season. We're going to look to keep that going, so come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You can trade right alongside of us and see everything that we are doing and looking at. All right, let's take a look at the next one up here. It's going to be Prudential. PRU is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at 84.42, closed at 84.43. No real movement there, but that will be on our radar once the opening bell rings. Same goes for MetLife. MetLife closed at $50.48. Right now it is trading at $49.19. I am seeing some intraday support around the $46 level, possibly down to $45.65. So keep that on the radar if MetLife does get down there today. Let's take a look at MRO, which is good old Marathon Oil, and you're going to see this is trading at 19.25, closed at 19.40. So we're not going to make much out of that. No real movement in this name. Strum Ruger, gunmaker, reported earnings right now. No pre-market activity. Stock closed at 54.54. It's still trading right there. We're not seeing any activity there. But also keep SWCH on the radar. That's Smith & Wesson, or SC. Well, either way, check it out. I thought it was SWHC, I think it is. There we go. Smith & Wesson. This will be in play today as well, in sympathy to Strum Ruger. But right now, we got to see how Strum Ruger reacts. Once it does, we'll trade that accordingly. Whole Foods down again. Whole Foods is turning into low foods. Right now, the stock is trading at $28.89, closed at $30.76. I will have gap levels for this one posted in the intraday stock chat room, so keep an eye on that one. I want to talk about some cybersecurity names. FireEye reported earnings. Stock is getting hammered. Closed at $29.12. It is now trading at $23.76. I do not have a level for this one simply because it's a new issue. It's only been around, I believe, since October of 2013. It is a new all-time low. So be careful with FireEye. We'll look at this when the opening bell rings, and we'll see if there's any patterns that form intraday. In sympathy to this one, Palo Alto can also be on the radar today in sympathy. This is trading down. It's closed at 166.36, trading at 163. So it's down about $3.36 at the moment. But either way, this will be down in sympathy. I believe Symantec, SYMC, also reported earnings, another cybersecurity name. This one looks like it's at 21.25, but there's no volume here, so we can't make too much out of it on Symantec. But we will look at it once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Celgene. Celgene is a very, very popular biotech. Stock closed at $127.33. It is trading at $133.50 now. Off the lows, did trade as low as $121. A level that I'd be looking at today for Celgene would be lower. I would be leaning more towards the 115 level if it did break down through these lows. So we'll see. I'm not sure if it's going to get down there. Either way, we'll see how it plays out. Homeaway, ticker symbol AWAY, is trading sharply higher. This is being bought out by Expedia for $38.50 a share. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, there's not much you could do here. But that's a good pop. Stock closed at $32 yesterday. It is trading at $39.70 at the moment. It is being picked up by Expedia. So again, Expedia is trading a little bit higher as well on the news. I don't know if it should be. Be careful with Expedia. If you do own that, I would put the trailing stop in as well. But either way you slice it or dice it, this is what we're looking at right now. All right, let's take a look here at Apache. I believe they had earnings also. No activity in the stock in the pre-market. We'll have to look at this when the opening bell rings. Same goes for Transocean, which is trading at 1640, closed at 1685. So these are some other names that are out here today on the earnings front. And again, we just got to take it one step at a time. Let the market tell us what to do. Last but not least, let's take a look at Ralph Lauren. Great move here. Stock is trading at $123.50. Closed at $113.57. Ralph Lauren, great move today, but it is getting overbought. This is a light volume name. What I mean by that is generally the stock does not trade 1 million shares a day. So whenever you get a stock that doesn't trade 1 million shares a day, they can overshoot levels, and that looks to be what Ralph Lauren is doing here. So be a little bit careful with it. If you own it, trail the stop loss, and you'll be in good shape. All right, the gold market today. Gold is trading up $1.40. Crude is trading flat, down 1 penny. We're not going to make much out of either one of them. We'll look at them once the opening bell rings. I want to wish you all a great trading day. And again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see what we're doing, what we're all about. And again, you can come and trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everyone, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.